Good morning and welcome to episode 2 of the garage build series. I'm again in the garage, and as you can see there's a new door in the garage, but there is also a lot to show you because we made a lot of progress. So let's turn the camera, let's go. So you can see that we have a new floor. This one is marmalayan and afterwards it's PVC, and of course we have the new door. Double doors, just those are not wooden doors, but they are insulated, so it's pretty okay out here. I've already painted the ceiling black. As you can see, we need to install some new lighting. We will do that today. And you can see there's a lot of boxes to unbox today. The 690 Enduros here with a little rack for the stuff that I need to install on the bikes. We have the X7 helmet and gear wall mounts from gray steel. We're going to install that today, I think. We still need to paint the windows black, so the surroundings of the windows. Everything is really nice and plastered, so that's really nice. As you can see, I'm still a little bit painting, of course, on the new floor here, which is really nice. Then we have the second part, and that is this. So you can see the living room, the kitchen and everything. It's over there, and this is my desk, so we need to clean it up a little bit. Here is my camera gear, and of course the Harley Davidson flat bulb. And this area, we're still thinking about what to do with this area, but I need to paint some walls. We have air conditioning over here, so really nice. Today we're going to do at least the helmet and gear wall mounts. I think we have some new lighting on the ceiling, maybe a little bit of painting. Of course we're going to add some lighting for the studio to record some stuff. Yeah, so stay tuned. Part of the garage is of course the helmet and gear mounts from gray steel. This is the X7, so we're going to install 3 of those today. So let's go. So here's a little overview of the X7 mount. So this is the gray steel X7 and this is the black version. I have 3 of those right now. So they're really interesting because as you see in the install, it was quite a challenge to have them all aligned, but I think it's pretty good right now. And they're pretty interesting because you can put a lot of clothing on it, and it's also suitable for other things. So you can see my Rusty Stitches Cliff suit on the left, my MX suit or stuff in the middle, So that's for my 690 Enduro, and this is for and the last one is for the Harleys. My dad's Harley is right here right now, and also my brother's 790 is also here right now. So, but what's interesting about this is that I will do a separate review of course, but it doesn't give any pressure on the inside of your helmet. A lot of mounts give a lot of pressure on the inside, and that could result in helmets that are deteriorating in safety especially. So that's really nice. So you have a really nice big spot for your helmet. You can also mount it through the bottom to make it more secure, but it's in this case perfect for me. So this is my normal climb, I think it's the F3 MX helmet. You have 3 spots for hangers, but you can hang up multiple hangers of course. You have a spot for your keys or something else like earplugs or something like that, and you can also have an option. In this case I do that for demonstration purposes only. I also have a sort of antenna, and then you can leave your gloves on and they can hang and dry. Really nice. I'm quite happy with it. It's around 130 euros or something like that, maybe a little bit less, but it's premium Dutch quality, and I think it's a lot better and more versatile than the mounts that you get on Alibaba, for example. And it's also safer for your expensive helmet, because you have a really expensive showy helmet right here, a really expensive climb helmet, and another expensive showy helmet, and I want to keep them safe and good. Yeah, so really nice. If you want to see my newest video, tap here. If you want to see my recommended video for you, tap here. And if you want to subscribe, tap here. Thanks for watching. Tap here, or tap here.